Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Minnie. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. I hope you stay and enjoy the great content that I'll be posting. Yes, my ear look rough. I'm gonna lose out my hair, but in today's video I'm gonna show you all that I got for $5,000 from a wholesale, a haberdashery, you know, Chinaman. Yeah, I bought some bathroom items with $5,000. so that's what I'll be showing you guys in this video, so stick around. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Turn on your post notification bell so each time I upload a video you can be notified. Remember to follow me on Instagram and TikTok at MinnieBurrell. So me know so no want see the things that mommy get for $5,000 in a the Chinaman. So let's get right into this video. Alright guys, so before I show you what I get for the $5,000, I'm gonna lose out my hair first. So by the time you're seeing this video, it's gonna be Friday, May 23rd. Yeah, Labor Day. Yeah, Labor Day holiday. Yes. So the content that I had for you guys, it postponed because I was going to go to the Mega Bounce thing with my daughter. I'm gonna say yes that I want good content and all of that, but when I went to buy the tickets in El Paso, them tell me say the thing postponed. So me I say I'm not sure, I said there's something postponed because guys, me they watch the page, me they watch the Instagram page, and that the day them never see them post nothing about them or postpone or whatsoever. So I come out to El Paso and me do what I'm supposed to do because them now selling no ticket in because they say postpone. So I say wonder if me are here right. So anyways, I go do what I'm supposed to do in town, and before I go home, I go back in El Paso and I say, are you sure say postpone? It Mega Bounce thingy? They must say yes, it postponed. So I couldn't get no ticket. I did go call over Pier 1, that our next place was sell the ticket them, but I never call. So now I said sure, I take it off of my mind. I didn't really feel away because I really did want to go at the Mega Bounce thing. Come I say yes, I want to bring me a future enjoy myself, I enjoy myself too, and I want to get the content. But it postponed because this morning now, at this morning them post on them page. Today is Thursday by the way. So this morning them post on the page say them postponed because something about the venue. Something about the venue. Them postpone it until Father's Day weekend. That I think are June 14 to 17, something like that. And the venue change and all of that. But them I say if you purchase it, them say tickets still on sale, and if you purchase the ticket, you still can use it at that time. So me I say I really did want to go tomorrow, which is Friday, the holiday. But such is life, you know, everything happen for a reason. Me did think so because the rain fall every minute. Me did think so because of the rain, the weather and everything. But yeah, so that cancel guys. And we are a few days away from the wedding. So after this content, next week I want to start the wedding series by next week because the other week I go to the wedding. I have a couple days left. So yeah, I'm gonna start the wedding series by next week. I'm trying to give you guys weekly vlogs. But I think I say weekly vlogs. Me just want to put out a video every week. Yeah. Just to stay consistent. Me I go put out videos every week. And you know, so the wedding vlog, the wedding series I come up. So now we see everything will take place and all of that. Me getting prepared for the wedding, hair, nails, everything. You know, I will see everything. Yes. So that's basically it. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I got with the $5,000 about bathroom items. So I'm gonna show you guys everything that I got just for $5,000. People and everything on the buy were expensive. Sometimes you can't go in a Chinaman them, you know, because Chinaman them have some nice things and them cheap. Yeah, them cheap. Them reasonable. So sometimes when I can stop and go in a little haberdashery for buy on a little bathroom things, them and the household items and something them. Yes, and I can do that. So I'm gonna show you guys everything that I got. Give me a run for my money. There was nobody, no one that run me. So give me a run for my money. Sipping bubbly, feeling lovely. Feeling lovely. Just lovely. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with. I wanna be with you. Just love me. If I didn't ride blade on her, would you still? If I'm in my mind at work, would you still? Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than to. Keep it a whole 100, don't got you, I got no. Give me a run for my money. There was nobody, no one that run me. So give me a run for my money. Sipping bubbly, feeling lovely. Feeling lovely. Just lovely. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with. I wanna be with you. If I didn't ride blade on her, would you still? If I'm in my mind at work, would you still? Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than to. Keep it a whole 100, don't got you, I got no. Give me a run for my money. There was nobody, no one that run me. So give me a run for my money. Sipping bubbly, feeling lovely. Feeling lovely. Just lovely. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with. I wanna be with you. If I didn't ride blade on her, would you still? If I'm in my mind at work, would you still? Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than to. Keep it a whole 100, don't got you, I got no. Give me a run for my money. There was nobody, no one that run me. So give me a run for my money. Sipping bubbly, feeling lovely. Feeling lovely. Just lovely. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with. I wanna be with you. Just love me. Oh guys, I forgot to tell you guys that yeah, the Friday is gonna be Labor Day, and I was supposed to, well, I wanted to go to Mayor's school because they are doing like a whole Labor Day project thingy, but I don't think I'm going to make it. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna make it. It start, I think, at 8 o'clock. Them say it start. The principal say it start 8 o'clock. Yeah, but I don't know. I wanted to go, but I don't think I will be going to that Labor Day thingy. Cause you know when a Labor Day is school, them them do projects. You know, them paint, them do this, them do that, and thing. But because the whole mega bounce thing changed, me did say, alright, I go at the Labor Day thing, but I don't think I'm gonna make it right there. Alright guys, so I finished pull out my hair. Yeah, my hair is not dirty because last week I do my hair. Last week my sister came around my hair, so it's not really dirty. But I'm gonna show you guys what I put in my hair. I have right here coconut oil. If you not see it, yeah. So I'm gonna rub this in on my hair. And I also use my hair growth oil. I sell these hair growth oil. I sell them. I'm out of stock right now, but I'll let you guys know when everything is back in stock. Okay, so this hair growth oil, it's castor oil and rosemary. Yeah, so this means in my ear. Figure my ear. So I'm just a massage my ear. As I say, my hair, it did wash already from last week. And I did just met my sister came on me here. But you see through my ear root up. I say, you know what? I'm going to just loose it out. No, just pull it out. And work with it like this. Yeah? Hey. Alright, time to show you guys what I got for $5,000. I know you guys are waiting, so here we go. Alright, so ready. So the first thing I have is this. So the first thing I have is this. Please let me know in the comments what them call them something here. I'm not really sure. But only know plunger. I know this like this our bathroom toilet cleaner. Like somebody please comment down below and tell me the correct name for this. And this is just $300. Yeah. $300. So the next thing I have is a shower caddy. Yeah, this shower caddy is for $1,500. $1,500. It's very nice. I like the silver. I have a black one, but the black one I have is from what, 2 years ago. So it kind of the soap thing, kind of the rust and all of that. So I decided to get another one, which is this silver one. I think I like the silver one better than the black one. So yeah, this $1,500. All right, so this is a tissue holder, or you can let me know in the comments the real name for this, but me know so this old tissue, so me call it tissue holder. And the price for this is just $350. I'm going to show you how it look when the tissue them go on it. Give me a minute. Alright guys, so this is how it looks when the tissue is on it. Cute, don't? This is very cute. Like, I love this. Yeah, so this is my tissue holder for $350. Alright, so the next thing I have is bathroom set. Guys, I paused the video a while ago because me realized say it's a bathroom set, you know, but on it's saying room mat. So me take a step back and I say, well, I wonder if I rank something. But it's actually a bathroom set, but in my panny say room mat. But I know I'm trying to people them already, but anyways. This is so cute, don't? Because you have a toilet something and you have this and you have this. So I know about a room mat. Well, I would a room mat bathroom still, but I think you would have say like bathroom set instead of room mat. But bathroom or room, I still want a room, not you. Anyways, this is so cute. I love this. Yeah, and this was for $1,400. And then the last thing I got is a shower curtain to match the bathroom set. But I look for a shower curtain we match it. Yeah. So this is the closest thing to this color. It's so cute, you know? Nice cute shower curtain, very cute. And this was just $800 for this. And look at the quality, look at these thingy. It's very nice. So that may tell me that people and then have to go in an expensive store them if you buy household items, things for your living room, bathroom, and you know, all of them something there. Because in a China man them, they have some nice things, some nice quality things, cheap. Because I know said this a bathroom, this a shower curtain, you would have sell for like $2,000 or so, or $1,500. But these are just $800. And I try my best to match it with this, and it can go on. So yeah, those are the things I got. Well, actually everything came up to $4,450. So I get back change because my budget was $5,000. I tell myself, say, alright, I'm going to see what I can get for just $5,000. Yeah, I challenge myself. So everything was $4,450. That good, you know? That is so good, you know? So me a challenge uno. Now me a challenge uno. If you just get one $5,000, go in a one little haberdashery, go in a one little Chinese man, and just buy some household items or buy some bathroom stuff. Cheap. Me a telling you, them nice. So yes, these are all the stuff that I got for $5,000. Everything came up to $4,450 as me telling you, and I am pleased. So yeah, I'm gonna set up my bathroom, and I'm gonna clean my bathroom and all of that. But I didn't remember if I told you guys where, but if you're in Montego Bay, so I'm gonna let you guys know where the haberdashery is. It's when you pass market on your left hand side, you pass market, you pass the gas station. Is the first haberdashery on your left hand side. I'm not sure the name of the haberdashery, but that is it. So once I pass market front, then I pass the gas station, the first haberdashery, you guys can go in there and check it out. Them have some nice quality things, cheap. Me not tell no lie. Them have some nice things. All I have to do is just walk and look, and you will get the things them that you need, and they have everything in there. So as me say, sometimes you have to check out the things them, you have to check out the Chinaman them, because them have some nice things. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Me realize say wanna love these type of content, like especially the grocery hauls. Me realize say more people gravitate to that. So I'm trying my best to give you guys content related to the grocery hauls, because every time every week I go to supermarket. I go to supermarket monthly. So I try my best to go into the contents that's similar to the grocery hauls, you know. So yeah, I'm trying out this one. You know, I'm trying out this one. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Turn on your post notification bell, so each time I upload a video you can be notified. Remember to also follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Minnie_Burrell. And you can also let me know in the comments the type of content that you want to see, and I'll try my best to deliver. Alright, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.